Yeah, yours is a little bit cleaner than mine.
You hear that?
Yeah. Same like mine.
So yours is stuck, yeah? Like that?
Pretty much. I just have, mine's louder than yours, that's for sure.
Well, you have aftermarket exhaust, no?
Muffler delete and res delete. And then what I was gonna do was, catalyst downpipe.
This street is usually has cops.
Hmm.
There's cops around here. Popos.
I like this better. The climate control than mine.
Yeah, and I got this though.
Oh, ha.
It's useless though.
Yeah, I like the
It's
tray
not
better.
really much. Tray, but tray you can put shit there, right?
Yeah, that's what I do. Just fill it with shit. How do you like the car on gas though?
I can get average.
Like 600?
Let me see. 550.
And that's
average.
Is that driving like a grandma or like beating on it sometimes? And yeah.
I speed a lot, so. But here, average 10.8.
Yeah, that's not that bad. Mine right now, I get what's it called? Like maybe like 13, even with it having a leak. But sometimes I try to drive like a grandma. How do you like the radio? This one without the aux and shit. You have the aux, don't you?
I do have the aux.
Yeah. You bought the radio afterwards?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I had the stock radio.
Yeah, with the stupid all the knobs.
Yeah, it's so bad. This one, which one is the RDC? You have 400 or 500?
I don't know. I think it's exactly the same one.
No, because they look
No?
exactly the same,
Okay,
but
then.
it's different.
I don't know.
See, I can also power shift. There you go, power shift.
Hmm?
I can power shift too, like no clutch.
Yeah, when the clutch is shifting?
But it's not clutch.
No, I don't do it that way. I just like pretty much where you almost don't lift. Where you just shift like really fast.
Yeah, see, I just did it.
Yeah.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah. Mine's louder than yours.
Huh?
It actually
Well,
doesn't feel that much faster.
No?
No.
You know why?
Why?
Because yours is loud.
I guess.
Because it's loud.
It feels
fast,
well. It's
yeah.
actually not even loud. It's quiet. It's like a little bit louder than yours.